Report. The big bagger is no more. I did the final leaf pickup today. I had the eaves troughs done yesterday, and I went around and blew the leaves away from the foundation of the house and went around with a big bagger and picked up bags of, well, one bag of leaves. Somewhere along through the yard, I hooked into something sharp. Don't know exactly what it was, but it was enough that it tore a flap. This flap originally was just a 90-degree rip that went over about like this, and all the rest of this was just fine. When I went to empty the bag, the rip just blew out. Now, if you recall, I paid $24, maybe $25 altogether for this thing. And I was very happy with it. It made the first day without a tear, and I thought, oh, we're in good. Evidently, when I mowed the side yard doesn't have much grass in it, but it's got a lot of dirt. The dirt sucked up into the vacuum of the mower deck and filled the bag and made it too heavy. Tractor being big enough, it just pulled it along. I didn't notice it, didn't feel any extra pull or twitch or anything. But when I went to dump it, I unhooked the bag, went to flip it over, and there was the big tear. So this one's gone. Fortunately, I have the leaves picked up for this year, so it was $12 a run. $12 a bag for the leaves, and I probably would have paid a good 10 times that to have somebody come and pick up the leaves for me. So it was a as far as the cost-benefit ratio, it was a good one, but I'm unhappy that I did that. What I should do is not go around and try and get it all in one bag. I should try and get half a bag. Maybe do the front yard and then do the backyard and do the side yard where there isn't any grass. Use the small bags for that. They're much more durable. They also are made out of netting so that the dirt goes right on through. But I wanted to give you an update of what's going on with the big bagger. Unfortunately, this one is toast. Now, I might keep it around for patches or something else, or might just toss it out in the garbage. You know, you can hang on to too much junk.